Let's break shit. Sorry. I didn't expect it to fall out the way it did.
So what all's coming out?
Pulling the radiator, condenser, and this tranny cooler out, so that it'd be easier just to run the chain around this engine here. Remove the motor mounts, pull it straight out. That way the motor and the tranny come out as one. Put it on the ground, literally throw the shit back in here, get it out of here.
But 9 times out of 10, they're like, this is gonna be like a couple hours. 6 hours.
Well, I have.
This is a good size.
Huh?
This is good.
You want it that tall? Tell Chris does not work in a shop.
He knows where I work, thank you very much. I may not work in a shop, but it's not like I don't know what I'm doing.
No, I didn't say that.
I'm assuming you're draining coolant and oil. There's a bucket there.
There it is. You get that off, just pull the whole across now.
Scrap?
Unless you want to keep it.
Oh no, I don't know. If it said bangs.
Hey, it blew up.
You mean Ralphie's flying off the handle?
Why is that so tight?
Not supposed to use these hex head ones.
It's welded on. Which could be.
Break my tools now?
You always blame me for that.
Grab the stalls on, put the buffer off.
That means I would have to ask where it is.
Bottom right drawer of the toolbox. And your O2 sensor is hanging on your light here. Gosh! Anger issue?
Always.
Someone gonna yell Jenga?
Jenga! What are you doing with these axles?
What are we putting them under?
Didn't I send you that
Pathfinder?
Pathfinder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
$600.
Let's do
I
it.
get a gambler card.
And say they're not going anywhere. And they're geared.
I know, right? What do you have in these?
456.
Perfect. Are they locked?
LSD in the back. We could throw a mechanical in the front and call it good.
Thinking putting a D-joint locker.
Yeah.
Whoop! Sorry. I didn't expect it to fall out the way it did. Put those bolts back there just so you don't lose them. I don't know. I mean,
Well, it's going to be a factory, or no, NV 3550. So will I need a different cross number? Or I just build a custom cross number anyway.
but we do need to.
Yep.
Break it.
One in what?
Brace.
Oh, yeah.
Osmate start.
Choose any one you want. I'll do first.
What was that?
Oh, coffee report. Take like report. Yeah.
Let's go! Leave the training hooked up to the engine. Just take off your. Okay, so you have an external cooler. We'll just remove the cooler lines here.
You want to know what I heard today? Heard? No, probably not. If Korn, the band Korn, did Mbop by Hanson, I was not disappointed.
Really? Your lug nuts are rusty.
I hate it when I have rusty nuts.
Huh?
I hate it when I have rusty nuts.
He's lug nut shaming you.
I know.
Getting rid of that. Want to start picking these up?
Chaw.
No. There you go.
Do I need to take these out? The whole header comes out?
You got free on here?
No.
Be dry. So we're gonna have to evacuate that.
Properly.
I got the machine over there.
I know, I'm just saying for you people. You know, if I had someone I could just pay to do all this work.
You have someone who can pay to do all the work.
That's true.
First step is acknowledging it. Wait, hold on. Are you getting paid?
Am I?
I'm not.
He's like, wait a minute.
Ooh, that smells.
What's that?
Starting fluid?
Yep.
Okay.
A lot of it.
I'm like, whoo! That was rich.
And then I put car cleaner in it.
Oh, God.
I was trying everything.
Yeah. There was a wasp inside your intakes.
I know. That big old sucker up there takes it out.
How many?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Morbid sense of curiosity.
I swear to God.
They're dead.
Yeah, they also like to play dead.
No, they froze to death. This is on.
You know, I always thought you had a 2000. I don't know why. Always. Every time I think of your Jeep, I think 2000. Not a 2000.
It is not.
What year?
98.
So close.
I doubt that.
One would assume. How subtle are the differences between 98 and that?
Different ignition system, different front axle.
I'm just.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much. Instead of individual spark plugs and a distributor, they have coil packs, like more modern vehicles.
Like one coil rail.
Oh, there you go. One coil rail.
Coil packs would have been a better idea.
True. And did they solely went to low pinion, right?
So, actually, this type of duct tape is like all that hold it together.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that was gross. It was like yellow.
Saying it was good gas that it was trying to
Been
run
there, didn't it, right?
And I think I put two stroke in it.
Oh God. I guess if it worked.
It didn't work.
No.
The engine's completely different. I don't know what hose I'm gonna use. And if I
You're
have
gonna need something for the heater, but not that.
yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, there's nothing there. Big bucket.
Thanks.
Apparently the petcock lied. You definitely had coolant in there.
I thought so.
Yum.
Yeah, yum.
You have to convince your brother to move.
I am trying.
Do you really think it's gonna happen?
You can put that in this video too. Tavi, get your butt up here. Cool. What do you need?
A drill, like a Phillips head drill.
Oh, grab Zippy. Zippy. Alright, this is Senior Zippy. Okay. Senior Zippy, Chris Heller. Oh, everywhere! Okay, it's just transfer. Yummy. Probably getting you ready. Next. Harness. That ground strap. That ground strap. And just plug that ground strap. 15. Cherokee. Everyone else first.
Yeah.
Oh, drop the nut. Nut's burning.
I know, that's what happened as well.
What?
Dropped enough?
Oh, I've got a kid. Alright.
I was doing the plugs.
Yeah, you grab this side, I'll grab this side, just pick up, throw it away. Me either.
I think we're on the same page.
That off, this off. We're going to need an 18, get that nut off so that we put the chain there. And then 14 for the chain here. You can edit that part out.